Well, my friends, two arthritis case, cervical spondylitis, and lumbar spondylitis is a great problem to the modern civilized life. As man is running from door to door, from work to work, from business to business, from city to city, with carrying goods. Even today, the school children are going with 20 kilogram bags. Well, my friends, the weight of the children is about 16 kilograms. The bag he is carrying about 20 kilograms. So the spondylitis is beginning from the early childhood. What happens? Ultimately, from the in between two vertebrae. What is vertebrae? Vertebrae are the 33 pieces of independent irregular bones starting from the cervical region just below the neck and running downwards, which form the up to the last portion is known as coccyx. It is the main standing position of the human being and all vertebrate animals. This is the difference between vertebrate and non-vertebrate animals. বাংলায় যাকে বলা হয় মেরুদণ্ড, এটাকে বডিকে ধরে রাখে মেন কাঠামো। তাই যেহেতু এটাকে বডির একটা মেন জিনিস, বডিকে ধরে রাখে, তাই আমাদের চরিত্রকে, ব্যক্তিত্বকে এই মেরুদণ্ডের সাথে তুলনা করা হয়। পার্সোনালিটি ইজ কম্পেয়ার্ড উইথ দিস ভার্টিব্রাল কালাম। এই লোকটা মেরুদণ্ডহীন। মানে এটা অনেকে জানে না, আজকে সবাই বুঝবে কেন মেরুদণ্ডহীন বলা হয়। Because this vertebral column as a whole is known as merudondo. In English, in medical science, it has been known as vertebral column. এটা না থাকলে যেমন মানুষ পড়ে যাবে, ব্যালেন্স থাকবে না। He cannot hold up the head, cannot sit in erect position, cannot stand in erect position. It is difficult to hold up the neck, head, back. So it gives the main support, the ultimate support, strengthens the body. সেই মানুষের যদি চরিত্রের ব্যক্তিত্ব না থাকে, তাই তাকে বলা হয় মেরুদণ্ডহীন প্রাণ। আজকাল মেরুদণ্ডহীন থেকে আমাদের বাংলায় একটা ভালো শব্দ চালু হয়েছে, খুব উপযুক্ত, চটি চাটা। তো ওই একই ব্যাপার আর কি, মেরুদণ্ডহীন না বলে এত বেশি মেরুদণ্ডহীন হয়ে পড়েছে, তার জন্য চটি চাটা শব্দ ব্যবহার হচ্ছে। However, in between the two vertebrae, there are nerve emerges, বাইরের দিকে নার্ভ বেরিয়ে যায়। ঠিক নারকেল গাছের ডালের সাথে তুলনা করা যায়। ইট ক্যান বি কম্পেয়ার্ড উইথ দি ব্রাঞ্চ অফ দ্য কোকোনাট ট্রি। দুই দিক দিয়ে দুটো করে নার্ভ বেরিয়ে গেছে, নারকেল গাছের ডালে যেমন এরকম বেরিয়ে গেছে। সো হেয়ার অলসো in both sided some nerves are emerges out. The Jyly color is nerves. In anatomy, medical science, always the color used for yellow for nerves, red for artery, and blue for shabash, good girl, blue for, and for lymphatics, white. Both are studied here. So when the ligament, cartilage, there is a potential gap in between the two vertebrae. When this gap becomes less and lessened, why? Because it breaks. This cartilage destructs. Then one vertebra fall upon the other. একটা ভার্টিব্রা আরেকটা গায়ে ডাইরেক্ট পড়ে যাচ্ছে, বিকজ দিস প্লেট, দিস ইজ নোন অ্যাজ ডিস্ক, ভার্টিব্রাল ডিস্ক। দি ডিস্ক ইজ demolished, distracted, spoiled, So one vertebra falls upon the other. As a result, এখান থেকে যদি this nerve gets pressure. So nerve pressure means pain. Nerve pressure means pain. আমি মরে গেলাম, আমাকে বাঁচাও। আমি মরে গেলাম, আমাকে বাঁচাও, I am going to die. That is the pain sensation in the any diseases of the human beings. So vertebra when falls one upon the other, it gives pressure to the nerves, and these nerves are known as at the neck region. At the neck region, it is called cervical region. At the middle region, it is called thoracic region. At the lower portion, it is called lumbar region. Generally, the cervical region nerves from this portion comes into the superior extremity, goes up to the hand. So all the nerves supplies the arm, the forearm, the hand, all coming from the cervical region. Where from it is coming out, this is known as cervical plexus or brachial plexus. And nerves from the lumbar region goes into the lower parts of the body, and this plexus is known as lumbar plexus. The sciatic nerve, there are three main nerves. At the posterior part, sciatic nerve. At the lateral part, no nerve. At the medial part, femoral nerve. At the anterior part, median nerve. So femoral nerve anteriorly, median nerve medially, and sciatic nerve posteriorly are the main three nerves coming from the lumbar plexus of a human being. And from the cervical plexus, there are many nerves coming downwards and goes to the upper arm, forearm, and hands. Ulnar nerve, radial nerve, median nerve, medial cutaneous nerve of the arm, medial cutaneous nerve of the forearm, etc., etc. Now, the treatment. In homeopathy, we have enough scope to remove this pain, as because homeopathy treats the patient, not the disease, and the destructions of the plates, the disc, may be minimized or reduced by our similimum medicines. Along with that, physical exercise, walking, swimming, etc. are essential to help or enhancing the process of cure. This gentle lady, aged about 53 years, suffering from cervical spondylitis and lumbar spondylitis. But the symptomatology goes in favor of Hahnemann's tinctura sine acris scari. Because there is sympathetic, she is much sympathetic, sleep late and light, urine cannot control, and warts here and there. And this medicine is a master medicine which controls the rheumatism of any kinds. Gout, rheumatism, etc. covered by these medicines tremendously. So our choice of medicine for this gentle lady is Hahnemann's tinctura sine acris scari from 1 to 8, twice in a day, morning and evening, and I do believe by these medicines this lady will be cured. She has treated with a variety of allopathic physicians, Institute of Neurosciences, etc. Cervical, they have diagnosed cervical spondylosis, bilateral knee osteoarthritis. Along with that, she has also developed arthritis of the knee joints. And all painkillers are given. Ultimate result of the painkillers is nothing but the destructions of the nephrons of the kidneys, and the patient may suffer from chronic kidney disease, which is dangerous, but there is no substitute, no other scopes in their hands of the allopaths. So my friends, it is better to choose the homeopathic mode of treatment in such cases, and in our hand there are many weapons we can cover such diseases. Let's see the result of the gentle lady. I shall share you, my friends.